Yeah, Tyler. Run to space. Possess! 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 One box. You got one box. Let's go, Benson. What's up? I know, right? It's fucking frustrating. Hey, Middies, goalie can't see anything right now. Trust me. Take some shots. Yeah, give him the ball right now. Yeah, Jake, he can't see anything. Oh, shit, but he can strip the ball. Okay, ball's coming down, coming down. Top left, top center. Talk through it, talk through it. Side left. Nothing. Cutter. Still got it. Left, left. Nothing, nothing, nothing. They're recovering, yeah. Bill on ball still, Bill on ball. Still you got box. Pick coming left. Pick coming left. Nothing. You're open, you're open. Good. All right, Jake on ball. Good. What's up, buddy? Holy shit, James. Did I really? Oh, that's fucking awesome. All right, well, we got it on tape. Hey, open! Open! Yeah, side right. Hey, keep him wide, keep him wide. Jake, be ready to go. Hold, hold, hold. You can show. Yeah. Stay heavy, stay heavy, stay heavy, stay heavy. Everybody else log off. Top right. Hey, Jake, be ready to go. Yeah, Jake, go. Pulls down. Top left. Still down, top left. Hey, now recover up. Recover. Stand up, stand up. There you go. Top center. Ball's up, recover. Sterling, stay on ball. Jake, recover. Oh. Can we ask for a stick check on him? I was gonna say, Jesus. Yeah, we got 20 seconds. Hold on. We're not ready. Yeah, Tyler coming in. We're still subbing. Chris on ball. Oh yeah, Chris Lowe. Sterling on ball. Bill, you can go one if you want. Hey, ball's gonna be side left. Yeah, Chris. Pick left, get through. He just ran out of bounds. That's awesome. Sterling right now. Take your time. One coming, Sterling. Oh my God. Benson, go up. Bill, all the way over. Hey, right now. Dink, and one. There it is, right there. Good. All right, flag is down. Just drop it, man. Flag down. All right. I like the shot. Get it on cage. Oh, big save. Watch box. Somebody drop box. Bill, eyes on him. Are they out? All the way over, Chris! Chris, all the way over! All the way over, Chris. There you go. All right, Sterling, top right, and they're out of timeouts now. Top center, there you go. We do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We need one. Ball's up, ball's up. Do we really? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. No, we're good. Keep him wide, keep him wide, keep him wide. Hold, turn, turn, cutter. Good, ball's back right. Talk through it, talk through it. Hey, we got one on the crease, one on the crease. Top center, top center. All right, are we missing a guy? Yeah, I know, yeah, Sterling. Hey, Sterling creased. Sterling, yeah. Oh, no, no. Hey, you guys can switch if you want. Hey, it's going to be early. It's going to be early. Hey, it's going to be early, okay? Hey, Sterling, my one. Sterling, one. It's going to be early. Hold, hold. Go, Sterling. God damn it. Oh, that was my fault.
Happens. No biggie.
Oh, my God. Snuck right under my...
You were there.
Right under my stick. Fuck. All right, 6-4. I should have had that, too. All right. Recover. Hey, you got it, Stu? Point. Sterling, point. Good. Dink slough in a little bit. There you go.
On your go.
Hold. Hey, he's a pole. We're going to hold. Hold. Top right, coming down. Top right, just talk through it. Just talk through it. Top left. Way up. Dink, you got him. Check him, Dink. Yeah, there you go. Bill, all the way over. Yeah, it's ours. Real slow, real slow, real slow. Hey, you're good, you're good. Good work, TC. Way to go slow, Dink. Way to go slow. Hey, ball's gonna be coming down from top right. Box, be ready. Box, be ready. Yeah, Tyler with him. One more box. One more coming box. Who's on him? Yeah, Tyler, bump over. Jake, eyes in the middle. Heavy on him, heavy on him. Low bottom hand, heavy on him. Yeah, there you go. Good, good ride. Jake, plenty of time. Fastest I've ever seen him move. Hey, be ready to drop. Flick it to Billy. Top center coming down. Sterling one. Sterling one. Hold. Sterling go. Sterling go. Sterling go. Sterling go. Push, push, push. Lift. Still got it. Still got it. Ball's top center. Give it to Jake. Give it to Jake. Yeah, I'm gonna send early on that one. Thank you for going. I appreciate it. Yeah, very good. Way to stay with him there, Bill.
In between taking a chance.
Yeah. No, that's good work. Find a matchup. Go on him, Billy. 5 minutes for 2 goals. 6-4. Yeah, there you go, Jake. Hey, we're only down 1 now. We're only down 1. 6-5.
Hey, I'm on if you need it. All right.
Okay, yeah, absolutely. It works. 6-5. I almost wanted to call it up there in that last one, but we still got 2, right, Bill? Sterling 1.
Bill 1.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, Bill 1. Just used to saying your name. And then Dink, be ready. Hold, hold, hold. Nothing. Top left. Benson on ball. Benson on ball. Working inside out. 1 coming box. Open. 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 Chris, beware of cutters. Hey, yeah. Stick on his hands, Chris. Hold. Nothing. No picks. Good. Hold. 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 Turn. Turn. You can show, Bill. Top left.
Oh, fuck, my bad, Kyle.
That's okay.
My bad, David. Keith. Finish.
Oh. Uh, 7-5. Yep, nice shot. All right, Bill 1.
Let's go, Denver! Right.
Let's go, Stu. Yeah, come in a little bit there, Dink. Just for the break. That's a white hold. That's a white hold. Anything. Scoop through it. Body. Talk man ball. Top right. Keep him wide, Chris. Keep him wide, Chris. Ball's top left. Yeah. Go with him, Sterling. Open. Open. Sterling, lock adjacent. Sterling, lock adjacent. Dink, you can go on him. Get a lift there, Dink. Get a lift. Top left. Chris on ball. Chris on ball. Lift. Top center. Bill on ball. Watch the sweep. Watch the sweep. All right, so we got a bunch of 1 opportunities here. Dink, you're going to be off. Dink off. Nothing. Benson, be ready to go. Benson, you can step up. No, Benson, you're off. Chris, you're going to show it, Jason, okay? Pick left. Benson's going to be on ball. Yeah, Benson, go help him out. Yeah, hold, red ball. There you go. Benson, you got it. I don't know how, but I'll take it. Good effort there, Bill. Good effort. Yeah, Benson! It's that easy. Let's go. Back to 1 goal. Back to 1. 6-5. I like it. Yeah. Please do. Please do, Dink.
Hey, Tyler, down low.
Hey, Tyler low. Dink face.
Tyler.
Okay. Hey, let's get it in. Keep it in for them. Tyler, you're all the way left side. All the way side left. All right. That went under 2 real quick. Yeah, I'm okay with it. Sterling, you can still just stay there though. I'm okay with it. Hey, all the way back if you need it. Yeah, Tyler. Timeout! 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 Let's go, Tyler! That's what I'm talking about, baby! That's real nice. Good fucking face. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, Tyler!
There we go. That's over.
Let's go. We're ready, we're ready. Yeah, good. Show for him. Move off ball. It's a back up. Good. Give me a big dodge from X. Yeah. How much time? All right, 120. Scoop under it. Yeah, let's go, Jake. Hey, probably like 45. Probably like 45. Ooh, he's cheating. He's cheating low. Does it still run under 2? Move the ball. Timeout! Timeout! Sick. Hey, set it up like you want. I could have fucking saved that. Yeah, TC! Yeah, TC! Yeah! Yeah, TC! Let's go. Let's go, Dink. What do you got, baby? Let's go. Let's go.
Hey, hey.
Let's go all day. All tied up. This is fun, right? This is good stuff. Usually you got to pay extra for this. All right, let's go, Chris. Chris, all the way over on left, okay? 19's a lefty. I don't know. Fuck it. Oh, okay. All right, 19 left, Bill 1.